Could a 3-inch sidewalk drop cost you a buyer or delay your closing? Absolutely. But is lifting it mandatory before you sell? Well, here's the straight answer. No, not automatically just because you're listing your home. But not required doesn't mean safe to ignore. You see, in Virginia, regulated sidewalks and walkways must be kept in proper repair and free from hazardous conditions. And a 3-inch difference could be considered a significant trip hazard. A local code official or HOA could require correction, and an appraiser or even a lender, especially with FHA or VA financing, could flag it before closing. And lifting isn't necessarily the only solution. Depending on the condition, the concrete may be leveled, repaired, or replaced. My advice: identify who's responsible, get it evaluated, and obtain an estimate before listing. Then you can repair it, negotiate it, or price it accordingly without last-minute closing problems. I'm Jennifer Dorn, your agent for the people. Let's connect.